Is it the right time to buy or sell Digital World Acquisition stock? In this video, we'll be delving deep into Digital World Acquisition. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, January 23, 2024. Today, we're here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. To stay updated on our latest analysis, remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell. Don't miss out on any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions by utilizing our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Access the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Our system has recently ranked Digital World Acquisition as a hold/accumulate, with a score of 0.00 since January 16, 2024. Now let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. It's worth noting that the stock has actually exceeded our expectations, showing a remarkable gain of 127.07% since our initial recommendation to buy Digital World Acquisition just 6 days ago. This impressive performance translates to an average daily return of 21.18% since it was listed as hold/accumulate. A score of 0 signifies that our system foresees high volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. Given the most recent developments, it's difficult to determine the stock's future direction as it could go either way. The stock has recently broken a strong upward trend, indicating the potential for even greater gains. If there is any pullback, there is support at a price of $26.34, which could present a second opportunity for profit. Looking at the next 3 months, the current trend suggests a potential increase of 75.19%, but there is also a chance of a decrease between -37.12% and -9.08%. Over the next 12 months, the trend suggests a potential change of 35.46%, with a possible return between -56.15% and -38.18%. This means that the stock could reach a price range of $22.25 to $31.37 in a year's time. Our latest update for Digital World Acquisition brings some exciting news. On Tuesday, the stock price made a significant move, fluctuating by 46.24% between its highest and lowest points. Let's dive into the details. On Tuesday, January 23, 2024, the Digital World Acquisition stock price increased by 2.13%, going from $49.69 to $50.75. Impressively, this marks the 7th consecutive day of gains. However, it's important to note that occasional dips are to be expected even during upward trends. During the course of the trading day, the stock price fluctuated between a low of $40.13 and a high of $58.69. Over the past 10 days, the stock has risen in 7 of them, resulting in an impressive overall increase of 194.37% over the past 2 weeks. On the last trading day, the volume of shares traded decreased by 3 million, with a total of 26 million shares exchanged, equivalent to approximately $1.30 billion. It's worth considering that a drop in volume when prices are high can indicate a potential divergence and may serve as an early warning for upcoming changes. Looking at the bigger picture, over the past 52 weeks, the Digital World Acquisition stock reached its highest price at $58.69 and its lowest price at $12.34. Currently, the stock price is 13.53% or $7.94 below its 52-week high, and a substantial 71% or $124.25 below its all-time high on October 22, 2021, when it reached $175. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, September 6, 2022, Bank of America Securities gave a buy grade to DWAC with an initialize action. On Tuesday, September 6, 2022, Wolfe Research upgraded DWAC to an outperform grade. Analysts have given Digital World Acquisition stock a general rating of sell. They rate the PE ratio as a strong buy and the price-to-book ratio as strong buy. In terms of return on investment, the analysts give the stock a rating of strong sell. In this video, we will discuss the signals that have been identified for Digital World Acquisition. The stock of Digital World Acquisition shows positive signs for investors. Both short and long-term moving averages indicate a buy signal, suggesting a favorable forecast for the stock. Additionally, the relationship between these two signals further supports a buy signal, as the short-term average is above the long-term average. In case of downward corrections, there is support from the lines at $30.73 and $20.11. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, it will issue sell signals. On Thursday, January 11, 2024, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point. Since then, the stock has risen by an impressive 199.94%. This indicates a potential further rise until a new top pivot is found. Furthermore, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also shows a buy signal. Despite gaining prices, the volume fell during the last trading day. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. Therefore, it is important to closely monitor the stock and its developments. Today, let's explore some interesting signals that you might find useful. The moving average convergence divergence shows a buy signal. Pivots also indicate a buy signal 8 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy 6 days ago. The short-term moving average suggests a buy signal 8 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average points to a buy signal 7 days ago. When we analyze the relationship between the short and long moving averages, we find a buy signal 7 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart for further insights. The short moving average indicates a buy signal 7 days ago. The long-term moving average also suggests a buy signal 48 days ago. When we consider the relationship between the short and long moving averages, we find a buy signal 41 days ago. If you're interested in discovering more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Today, we will discuss the support, risk, and stop-loss levels for Digital World Acquisition. Digital World Acquisition currently finds support from accumulated volume at $49.69. This level presents a buying opportunity as it is likely to hold and result in an upwards reaction. However, it's important to note that this stock can be highly volatile throughout the day. The Bollinger Band indicates a very large prediction interval, classifying this stock as very high risk. In the past day, Digital World Acquisition experienced a price range of $18.56, representing a 46.24% difference between its highest and lowest points. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 36.34%. Before we explore the potential trading levels for Digital World Acquisition, let's start by understanding some essential fundamental data. One important metric is the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio helps us evaluate a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. If a company has a negative PE ratio, it means they either have negative earnings or they are experiencing losses. Established companies may face temporary downturns due to external factors. However, if a company consistently maintains a negative PE ratio, it could indicate insufficient profitability and potential risks of bankruptcy. Today, we'll be discussing potential day trading levels for Digital World Acquisition. When it comes to resistance, there's no significant barrier from accumulated volume above. This means that if the right conditions are met, the stock could experience a swift upward movement. If you're considering entering a position, keep an eye on the volume to determine the best time to exit. On the downside, Digital World Acquisition encounters its first support level at $49.69. If this support level holds, it could present a good opportunity for entry, with the anticipation of a rebound. The overall consensus from multiple analyst sources is that Digital World Acquisition is rated as sell. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On September 20, 2021, Barclays plc conducted an insider buy of 0 shares. On September 20, 2021, Barclays plc conducted another insider buy of 0 shares of Class A ordinary share, with a par value of $0.0001 per share. On September 20, 2021, Barclays plc conducted yet another insider buy of 0 shares of Class A ordinary share, with a par value of $0.0001 per share. On September 20, 2021, Barclays plc conducted an insider buy of 50,000 shares of redeemable warrants. On September 8, 2021, ARK Global Investments II LLC conducted an insider sell of 1,650,000 shares of Class B common stock. Analyzing the 22 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of 0.000. In total, insiders have purchased 18,056,436 shares and sold 13,740,000 shares in the last 22 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $49.46, which is a decrease of 2.54%. This stock exhibits highly volatile daily movements, making it inherently risky. The RSI 14 indicator is at an alarming 98, further amplifying the risk. However, there is a buy signal from a pivot bottom identified 7 days ago. Is Digital World Acquisition stock a good buy? While Digital World Acquisition holds several positive signals, we believe it falls short of being a strong buy candidate. It is currently more suitable as a hold candidate, meaning you should consider holding or accumulating shares in this position while awaiting further development. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the stock on the last trading day, our systems have determined that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, January 24th, we anticipate Digital World Acquisition to open down by 89 cents, with an initial trading price of $49.86. Before we dive into the content, let's remember an important disclaimer. Trading carries a high risk of financial loss, so it's crucial to seek advice from a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you acknowledge your own responsibility for any investment decisions you make. Welcome to Stock Invest. In this video, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock. We value your opinion, so don't forget to comment below and share your thoughts with us. We're also curious about your target for this stock. Remember to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. Our team wishes you successful trading and a beautiful day ahead.